as the word of Christ.
Onyame asem ena
go and sin no more.
Go and sin no more.
Nti mo kasa mahama eye dwamanfo wafa we ni ayi no monto boromoro. I want to see one man in this country.
In this country?
Yes.
One man.
One. One.
Okay. One.
I saw for Kwadwo me west. You don't bring them in. Me say one.
Challenge you are not you.
Ah, me say one. Me pe bema ba ko pe.
E wo meimu.
Yes. Come me ma 22 dia me ntimi kotobo. Se me nya oba bia ne bu befu ti se ne aba ko no bufu no Nkansah hunu ene ene obi su beka. Yeah. What you say? One. Pe bema ba ko pe o meka.
You're showing a 24-hour to 48 hours. You been here. Well, let's see. Papa na woka na say Lennox Lewis na woka.
Yeah, Lennox Lewis. Yes. Obeye ni nyonku bi wedding oba bi na enyasam kitwa. So. Enti nya me pesa me kire Ghana fo ma ne say. Enki ya no mo kodem anke nso obi bika. Enka ye obi bika. Me pesa Tracey Boakye kan hwan Miss Bell munyina motem ho ase. Say men we also have a lot to say. Mo de they are west but we don't say it. Na mo de damano na gbagba mo say I don't know, celebrity. These are the celebrities we have in this country. We got a problem. Yeah, we got a big problem if these are the celebrities we have in this country.
And they make the headlines.
You see, me, I don't watch their movies because movie be cheap. Ejemewu. Ah, President Mahama, why you name the answer there mo yentiminka. But when it was too below the belt. Ah, way more. Below the belt. Amo gu anima sesa. Bibia nyame omo e kasam na. Ma me nkwa na mdwena ho ofie. What she's going through. Now, what's a ban of crying in the bar? One ya dobia ma a bunny beam. I'm telling you. Now, some mammy be on 2 for 1. Tieni on tieni. Utia Sikranoa, Umbo Mahamedino, Omudi Omuntria. Now, and net Wakobo Mahamedin. Huh? Your business will collapse. Your children, it will affect them. One kasa you never be in peace. I'm saying all running ma for jame onye sika no ne busua ni bia ntimi ntunufo.
Efofo no.
Yes, efofo no. Efofo no. But the way all kasa painting who kasa na Miss Bella is in here. Inti eda otoma wa ye de nyina $450,000. Ani Mahama sa mi de mi tua pa o. Ah, 450. And then I know back. Oh, Debbie. Oh, my good papa, it's not good. The celebrities. Muy a disaster. Celebrities, muy a disaster. If you call yourself a celebrity today, tonight, echo, call yourself a disaster. We have a big problem. These are the people, women, we call them celebrities. Excuse me.
We got a problem.
Yeah, we got a big problem in this country if these are celebrities. I am McBrown.
I'm Edio. Oh no, dear Timunio.
Maybe not
Ghana for the
politics. Mama, I really like him. Especially in the area. Someone, you know, just say, now me didn't home. Yes, if I say, put yourself in his shoes. The timing was so wrong.
Agreed.
And I think Mahama will learn. Say, Onwa Kasani NDC for me, Papa.
Exactly.
When you look at the timing of 2 incidents, that will cause his great downfall. Hey, Kwame na hoy book no release here.
No, you can't want to say me.
Sir, and my way, Adom their way. And when you listen and read, they are all within the NDC party.
Exactly.
They are all within the NDC
elements
party.
Within that political household.
What do you say? You destroy your own flag bearer like that. Moshe that release it. They will capitalize on it. Then they see parliament, papa no. And then
parliament we are
I miss mammy be the answer. We share Nano Gaze. Muhammad Yobaye, one day, Mark one, what he be fired. You know, it's not good. I don't think Muhammad should accept apology from any of the 3 women. At all. Any of the 3 women. He shouldn't accept any apology from them. Cut them off. Cut them off. Who are not cutting Niger gays in so up because Umari was a Dromina. A foolish boy.
Or no, what
fine? No, no, say 2 no, catch A plus so me patch or man. We are no Sabaka say, ni papa party say ban redu. Onu kura wa wuna egame. Yeah, go catch A plus.
Really?
Oh, chia. O me patch or man. We are no Sabe running ma. Onu so o hwe celebrities here amusi me modin. Che say mu wasing case in every day. We share celebrities no so ne Niger gays ya danwa. Mu ye disaster. The so-called celebrities. Yeah, disaster. Please. We don't have any celebrities in this country. We have disaster women and men calling themselves. And who's a musicians, no? We are better than the actress and actors.
Far.
Yeah.
By far.
Because I movies here, Mudi, or the now me tear back was what the $47,000. No more Jijin to say, hey, $47,000 was $47,000 here the movie, Papa. 47 because you are cheap. $47,000. You call yourself a celebrity, running your mouth in this country. You guys haven't seen anything yet. I think. Good papa animasi, good animasi, good and money or the other. Tracey Boakye control. I always said Confucius. So if a man saves your life, you are indebted to him for the rest of your life. Whatever pictures you have about Mahama, today what about any beer? Mahama men srono. Matiza obi kajem so when ya no basa koto daman. Hey, ha, oye beer ma Mrs. Lodina shinisum shunsu ogunuso. Oba we ye why I would Lodina, we were blackmail you. Any pana what the tape na come no. One also do the aba me the eba. One also what do the aba o to me you picture, actually naked picture.
And I just sent to Kwemu bed ni.
Oh, Debbie, we have to defend this media and for politics and truth. About issues, we address it. Yeah. What you say is becoming a canker in this country with these so-called cheap celebrities. Destroying good people. And one year biama, o te kuma so chale what a ball na to sa. We won't A plus and go out. Hey, oh, every time.
Tracey Boakye.
Yes. What in it die? Or say this one farmer? Please. When you some funa mudi wagana, good president tell me sister. Mr. Maka, A plus, Mr. Maka, who Tracey Boakye, who free Kumasi by A plus no there one more fuku. Who is who call blackmailing us? May you credit me 7 what the pen. Oh, which means you out here.
Can we go for a short
break? I won't go short break. I don't think one going to be this. A plus is my friend. What you say? But me can say,
where you know,
me can say A plus and who call out Wamashi, a whole president or ex-president, and who call Tofie. Lakeside.
This is very explosive.
Now blackmailing no Akrobeto is Legon. Now aside CB now we are restaurant. What do you mean? A plus is my friend. But on Mahama. President Mahama, Messi men tuabium. I don't know slow way. Had been be anywhere or Bekimi and Yakukudro. I cast a President Mahama or best road because they have done worse things.
Yeah.
And we see what I feel about sex. So what? Go to hell. Please, go to hell. We are cheap. Go to hell. And there's some fun so Ghana. Bibi amu person of the policy. Me, after this, I'm not going to speak about some fun. What do you mean? I then good papa didn't must good. Look at the timing. Look at the timing. You are the Yesua boy. You are the campaign. But me, I'm going to deal with issues. And who hear me? But Charlie, oh my good papa, anyone say, oh my God. Manyadi, Mrs. Lordina, may forgive me. But change the topic.
Great. It was for there's 55 minutes gone past the hour. 8. Very explosive indeed. And of course, Agyapong has just dropped the bomb. The very latest, this is like a developing story in the social media, and of course, coming thick and fast. And some pim konwa. And nyoma we be no Ghana for nanchi kani sisu ne ya ne ye firi ho ebeboa. Asama kan ken maka bi da a year ago. About kwanya a celebrity see me kan say enti ye fie ye ma a ye wo mo. Sa maba wo we num enam ye ma e hwe omusuo social media abe romodos ana wa wonim sa asem we maka pen no. Ene ne da ho no. Ghana the crossroad. Very, very serious. Well,